Hello creative kids, welcome back. In this video, I'll take you step by step through my drawing process as I create an adorable illustration of True from True and the Rainbow Kingdom. Watch as I bring this beloved character to life, adding vibrant colors, bold outlines, and cute details that really capture True's personality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, follow along and let's have some fun drawing together. Start by drawing a small rounded ear on the left side of the page. Position it slightly above the halfway of the page height, and from the base of the ear, draw a semicircle for the shape of her face. Keep it simple with a curved line. Draw two large, expressive oval eyes. Make sure they're wide and round, giving True her signature Chibi charm. Inside each eye, add two smaller circles for highlights to bring them to life. Fill in the pupils with a dark color to make them stand out. Just below her eyes, draw a small open mouth in an oval shape, slightly tilted. Above each eye, add thin, curved lines for her eyebrows, giving her an innocent and playful look. Start by drawing the large, rounded shape of her blue hair around her head. True's hair has a cute, smooth curve to it. From the neck area, draw the top part of her blouse, which includes a collar. Add her right arm extending outward and draw her hand with simple, rounded fingers. Continue by adding the lower part of her blouse. Draw her left arm on the opposite side, extending outward in a similar way to the right arm, and add her left hand with rounded fingers. Below her blouse, draw her dress. It has a wavy, flowing shape, so add a slight curve and ruffles to the bottom edge for a cute, playful look. Finally, draw her legs. Make them slightly rounded and add her large signature yellow boots with thick soles. Add a few small details like lines for the stripes on her socks. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.